secret camera. Everyone, Mike here with Vernons Signature Audio. This is kind of a funny one. 67 Riviera base model. I did this install back in 1999 at another shop. Customer came in and wanted it working again for 4th of July. Surprisingly, it still has the original, well, what we installed, Eclipse 5303R with the 6-disc changer, which if you've been doing it a while, you remember that old Eclipse 5303, 8-volt pre-out back in the day, so they claim. Teardrop kick panels with JO component when they first started doing that, and then in the back still has the original /501 /304. Surprisingly, it still turns on. So Luscious is back there loading up some subwoofers so he can have some bass for the 4th of July. But it's always kind of funny to see these old things come back, especially when they're still holding up. Everyone, Mike here with Vernons Signature Audio. As you can see, Laws has got the 3 new subwoofers in place. Kind of crazy how we used to do things back in the day, or at least me, right? What are we, 26, 99? A lot of time has passed. Probably still up there, still holding. But yeah, so he'll be able to enjoy it for the 4th of July. That's pretty much what he came in for. Needed new subwoofers. Surprisingly, everything else, wiring, amps, dips and highs, everything came on still. So yeah. Crazy to see. This is like the second one I've seen in a month of something I did years ago that's come back just to fill them holes. And you know me, good at filling them holes.